Hi everybody, welcome to our 6th week of SOC 101, Introduction to Sociology. This is our first recording of 3, I think, tonight, and this one is about this week's assignment. Go ahead and grab your lecture quizzes, although there are no questions from your lecture quiz on this particular recording. So I just wanted to go over your assignments for this week. There is a response journal, it's a pretty brief one. There's also a discussion board, and I just wanted to remind you, you have new discussion groups starting this week, and they'll remain in place until the end of the class. And the discussion assignment, you will be discussing your findings from the week 5 observational research assignment. You are required to write about what you found and then respond to one of your classmates this week. So only one peer response is required, but you must mention 3 group members total in your response. So the idea is that you will read everybody in your group's posts, and then you will discuss at least 3 of them in your response, but only one response is needed. So those are the only assignments for this week aside from this lecture and your lecture quiz. Just as a reminder, the final exam study guide is now posted. It's at the top of the modules page, and the final exam is in our last week of class, week 8. It starts on Wednesday, May 16th at noon, and it ends on Friday, May 18th at 11:59 p.m. Okay, so that's it for our very first recording for today. I'll see you on the second one.